Once again, good morning. Once again, good morning. Okay. Sorry for disturbing. Again, heart is pure care. Because of what happened last day, 9:45 p.m. 9:45 p.m. here. Documented yan. Here, yan. Saan makunta sa tao, ani ka unique ang bay. Kinigibuhat ko this not for days, months, years. 14 years in making in ako. Like what happened to America, yung shoots lang pearl. Grabe, research something, again, about with document. Again, with document. But why is it, no? But why is it, muna? Karon. Because may nakuha naman ako, yung all of the doctors na ko na-treat, no? Yung family, their loved ones, yung heart, not you did once, twice, thrice, nga dili tagap. How many videos, no? 500. Again, 500, no? And then, this is not a scandal. Scandal yung angay kawaw. So, mine is education. Kaya nga, no? Wala naman ma-educate. No? Again, wala naman ma-educate. Nabi ko politiko, tagiyaw hospital, kunya, na cancer of the breast. Sus, na ibata kung naslabangon, nilinya gito ang tao, no? Okay? Cancer leaking, nilinya, kikapon ka, maayo. Again, akong papa na biktima, papel, pirmahan. Butas imong tubig, inon, maayo. Asa naman ito education, again, kasabot yun ko, again, kasabot yun ko, mapitan niyo, ibutang na itong document, all the management, again, so here, no? Heart is pure care. Maobni ako ang labo, wala po people told me, labo pa rin Dr. Hart, di lang ko masulti, ba, palikamutan ako, no? Education ako, again, education na patay, what happened to Middle East, no? Si Gaddafi, how's Gaddafi? How sinabi silang country, no? Yung educate ang mga kabataan because of the electronic world. Full sa internet. Mabito na i-block ng internet again. Kaya para, again, because here, no? Again, here, I'm not intelligent, no? Kaya nabito sa UP Diliman, the government, when nagpa-eskwela, scholar ng bayan, why is it, pag-graduate, sa bukid, kahit to, ka-Roger, why, no? Again, why? Mo naman, karon, it's time to educate, no? And then, mali ako nga, hindi naman lagi matutunan ng doktor. Heart, too much is everything. No? Again, it's dangerous na po. Again, kagapon, terminal cancer, may linya, no? May linya, iplio, and then, gitabangan din ako, kaya silingan, gitawan to na ako, na-stop to na akong silingan parental because of what happened. And then, karon, nakita naman nila, wala oxygen, ikapito na akong patient, kasi may ikawalo ng terminal cancer, na I hope, no? Sayot ba ko? Ngayon anak ang case, terminal. Huwag kita nitambal in the world, huwag kita nag-away mi sa akong mga kasen, nandoon niya akong kasen, akong brother, nag-away mi, huwag itong tiro, limited na no? Okay, buang na makunutang nga, wapay tao, na cancer nga, giayot sa kwano. Muna nga to i-document na ako. Again, I would like to thank Heartilia, the YouTube, the Google, the Facebook. Well, siya, asam siya, di mo siya sa Pilipinas, kaya to, makurap, no? Yan, something. Di mo po na yung Pilipinas, karon sininoy, maayon niya kayo kada, no? Again, muna ginaasal mo. Nawa mo ba, no? Again, pasingan na naman na ito ang Ginoo. Uy, wapay taong patay. Ibor sa tao, sinay Ginoo. Again, how you trust, no? Kung simba po ka, tili na yung sikating lang, like school. Again, muna yun, no? So here, again, ano? Nakulang ko ipangutanan ninyo. Okay, upgraded of the last day, no? What happened, no? Sa doktor, tingnan na ka-check up mo kanila. Uy, nampay enlargement of the heart, or cancer, or liver, no? O niya, mingon man sa diet and exercise. See the document. Kanawa ilang now, ilang body, physically fit ba? Uy, kulang na lang atong ingno, no nga. Dok, ikaw ilay dok, exercise. Again, mag-asa mo yung brain, no? And then, na, again, bisa unsa ka sa